In every collection, there's one that stands out. Welcome to one of the largest plots in Address Hillcrest. Set on a rare 9,700 square foot plot, it sits 2,200 square feet larger than the standard unit within this exclusive 138 villa community. This is a modern design, the larger of the two architectural styles. Corner positioning brings extra privacy. Natural light moves through the home from every angle. Inside, the layout feels effortless and expansive. Designed for modern living and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Upstairs, you gain 3 additional balconies, each one creating its own moment and perspective. Above it all, a larger roof terrace, a space to entertain, unwind, and enjoy elevated views across the community. This is a spectacular villa that is destined to become a very special home. Reach out today to arrange your private viewing.